This video will guide you through creating a project in LinkVector by connecting your WordPress. If you use a different CMS that isn't integrated yet, please watch our video on setting up projects for non-integrated CMS. First, create an application password in your WordPress account. On the sidebar, under Users, go to Profile. Scroll down to Application Passwords and enter a name for the application password. LinkVector is a good choice. Then, click Add New Application Password. Copy this password and save it somewhere safe, because you won't be able to retrieve it later. Next, in LinkVector, enter your website URL. Then, enter the username you use to log into WordPress, which you can find under Profile here. Next, paste the application password you created in the previous step. Next, you can specify which pages you want to be crawled. These should be pages relevant for internal linking purposes, like your blog posts. You can either choose to include, which will only crawl specific pages, or exclude to disallow us from crawling specific pages. For example, if you want to add internal links exclusively for your blog posts, you can either list all blog post URLs here, or if all your blog posts follow a specific path, like /blog, you can enter that path here. Please note that when you use the include feature, we will automatically add a / to the exclude URLs, ensuring that only the pages you listed will be crawled. Alternatively, you can use the exclude feature to block us from crawling pages that are not relevant for internal linking. For example, you can choose to exclude your category, about, terms of service, and privacy policy pages. Once you're done, click on Create New Project. Crawling your website will take around 30 to 60 minutes. You can check the status on the dashboard here. A loading icon means we're still crawling your website. The WordPress icon means the API connection was successful, while the error icon means we encountered issues when connecting to WordPress. If this happens, you can troubleshoot by going to Project Settings. Usually, errors are caused by incorrect WordPress credentials and permissions. If you face any issues, send an email to support@hello@linkvector.io.